am launching my app in the Windows Phone 8.1 emulator with Visual Studio. And here is my app. It's called Travel Buddy. It uses the phone's GPS coordinates to send a post request to httbin.gov.org. I can't read. And once that gets sent back, it shows up the status code and the message. Everything is good. And it returns what was sent to it, which was the GPS coordinates, latitude and longitude, right here. And go back. I can also find near me, find restaurants and hotels based on device location. And the user can choose the search radius. Say choose 5 miles. Here comes a list of hotels within 5 miles. It shows the hotel name and the distance from the user. Go back. Change the radius. This gets a little buggy when I'm doing screen recording. Change it to 25 miles. Here are all the hotels within 25 miles, which is quite a few. These GPS coordinates are actually I think Microsoft's up in Redmond, Washington. So there are lots and lots of hotels. And we go back and choose, no, let's show restaurants. Choose radius. Let's do 10 miles. Here are all the restaurants within 10 miles, which there are many. I have the search set to only return 50 results. So there are 50 restaurants within 3.5 miles of these GPS coordinates. So radius search for this one in this area isn't as useful. And go back and change the radius. Well, all these are going to be the same, but again, this is buggy when I'm doing screen record. It was working fine. The selector is only enabled once the GPS coordinates load, and they load every time this page is open, so it's ready now. So we do 25 miles, and it's the same results because there are only 50, and there are more than 50 restaurants within 5 miles of these coordinates. And we go back, we can do hotels again. It is working. 10 miles, all the hotels within 10 miles. And go back. This is still working. And there we go. That is my app. As for errors and such, the user input is only selections, so they can't mess that up really. This is the only place where there are errors. If the GPS coordinates haven't loaded yet, then the event listener isn't set for this. And that's the only issue here, but it works better when I'm not doing screen capture, of course. So that is my app.